Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. The line out is shown on the grid. Find an equation for L, give your answer in the form y equals mx plus c. So let's write that down. So over here we need to work out in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. Now first and foremost what I'm going to do, I'm going to focus on two integer coordinates over here. There's one over here, there's one over here. And let's create a triangle over here. I can clearly see as I follow the line from the left hand side to the right, it's sloping downwards. So therefore it's going to be a negative gradient. Now let's write down the coordinates over here. The coordinates for this top coordinate over here is going to be -4, 10. And over here it's going to work out to be -2 and 4. What I'm going to do, I'm going to label that up as my x1, y1 coordinate and my x2 and y2 coordinate. Now what we can do is we can write it down. Let's follow this. To work out the gradient you need to do m. The gradient, m stands for the gradient, is equal to the difference of the y's, which is going to be y2 minus y1, all over the difference of the x's, which is x2 minus x1. Let me just put a dividing line over there in between. And then what we're going to do, let's work it out. So our value of y2 is equal to 4. So it'll be 4 minus 10 all over -2. Take away a -4. So let's put this line over here. So to divide by line. And then you're going to end up with m is equal to -6 all over. Well, we know a minus and a minus makes a plus. So therefore you should get -2 plus 4. So finally you should end up getting -6 over +2. That could further be simplified to -3, so which works out to be -3. So there's our gradient over there. So let's write it down. Y is equal to -3x. Now we need to work out the y-intercept over here. That's where it cuts the y-axis and it comes over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to emphasize this over here. This is going to be our y-intercept. And it cuts over there at -2. So therefore your final answer should be y equals -3x, and it's going to be -2. And this should be our final answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.